Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to do keyword research using ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a great tool and you can use this AI tool to generate great keywords for your website. And this is also helpful for creating low competition keywords that can be easily ranked in Google if you know the trick how to generate those keywords using ChatGPT. And today I will help you in that process of finding low competition keywords using ChatGPT in very less time. So before jumping onto the keyword research method, first of all I will show you my website. Basically I will not show you the website name. I will only show you the data of my website and I will refresh the data so that you can see the real time. And this is the 12-month data, last 12 months data, and you can see all the traffic details and 7.4 million total impressions and 193k clicks. And if I show you my last 16 months data, then I have just applied and you can see the data that 7.7 million impressions and 214k total clicks. So this is the thing, and now I will show you the method. This is the ChatGPT panel and I am using 3.5, means you can freely use this ChatGPT thing to generate keywords. If I want to do keyword research in any niche, then first of all I have to type the thing related to that, like tell me some low competition keywords in travel niche. So basically I have done a mistake here, but uh, we need not to worry because they have understand the assignment and this is the keywords they have given. But these keywords are not good, we know that, because these keywords are already looking very hi-fi and bloggers are already working on these keywords, so we can't use these keywords. To explain it more further, I will use this script, I will use this prompt, and I will upload this prompt on my website. So you can visit my website bloggernishan.com. It is already mentioned in the about section, or first of all I will show you my website. This is my website. Here you will find the prompt. Okay, so let's move to the thing. So this is the thing, and then I have to just enter this thing. So by clicking the enter button, we have got the results. So these are the results you can see. First of all they have mentioned, so first of all I will show you what is the prompt. So this is the prompt, that these are not low competition keywords. First of all I will tell the machine that these are not low competition keywords which you have told me, and please give me answer, help me as a blogger and SEO expert. So the machine will understand that I am wanting this answer as a blogger and a SEO expert. Okay, so now he is working like that, and now it is giving long tail keywords, then seasonal and event based keywords, means every kind of keywords the machine has provided. But we will first look the, this is the first thing and we will work on this first keyword. Okay, so they have basically written that best snorkeling spots in specific location. So let's see that this keyword helps us to find low competition keywords or not. Let's see. So this is the thing, I have just put this keyword in Google and just have written the destination name Florida, and I'm just using it as a purpose. When I searched this term in Google, I find very heavy websites, means these are all high authority websites. But this website I have found, the outdoor guy, the outdoorsguy.com. This is the outdoors guy. You can see they are having 100% of search traffic and they are getting 28,000 traffic minimum every month, means 20,000 traffic, more than 20,000 traffic every month. And if I show you the domain authority which you can generate from RF, you can using RF, you can generate any website's authority. So this is the thing, they are only having 7 domain rating and they are getting 20,000 traffic. So this idea very well works in finding low competition keywords and low competition websites. So this is the low authority website, and you can using this website by using sitemap.xml, or you can see other posts to find keywords. And this is how you can find more websites and more low authority website and more low competition keywords. So this idea works very well, and you can use other methods like luxury resorts and other things, and you can use this to find more keywords. So I hope that you must like my idea and this technique of finding keyword from the chat gpt. So if you like this content, then please like this video also, and you can visit my channel and subscribe my channel, and please visit to my telegram to subscribe my telegram, and you can contact me on instagram for any purpose, and you can visit my website to read the prompts and see the things. Okay, so this is it for today. Thanks for watching this video till the end.